Hey guys, today I'm going to make some sausage and potatoes. So let's get crocking. I have 5 russet potatoes here that I washed up that I'm going to use for this. So I'll just cut one to show you how I cut them real quick. I go in half and then in half of the half and then just in about, I don't know, just go across that way. So I don't know, just kind of little bite-sized pieces. I'll do the rest like that and I'll get them in the crock pot. And I'm going to add a little bit of oil, just enough to kind of coat them so they won't be dry. This is avocado oil, but you could use whatever kind that you want. So probably about a tablespoon or so, just kind of eyeball it. Then I'm going to season them with a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion in it. And a little bit of kosher salt. And I'm just going to mix these all together and get all the seasonings all on there. And I've got some Portuguese linguiça sausage I'm going to use for this. This is an 11-ounce package. Comes 2 links in a package. I already cut that end open because sometimes there's a string that ties the 2 links together that you have to cut through, or you can't get just one link out. So get that out of the way, and what I'm going to do is take the casing off. So I'm going to cut it in half like that, and then just cut it like that, and then the casing should pull off just like this here, because I don't know, that might be a little bit chewy in there. I'm not really sure, but I'm going to take it off just to be safe, and then I'm just going to slice it into thin slices just like this. I spread the sausage out on top. That way the fat from the sausage will cook down through the potatoes and give them some flavor. This is kind of a tangy sausage. It has red wine vinegar in it. Has a lot of flavor. Anyway, now we'll get the lid on there. I'm going to cook this on high, so if you cook it on low, it'll probably take about twice as long. It's been about 3 hours, so I think this is done. And I made this the other day and I ate it just like that, but I was thinking some eggs would be good in there. Now, I've never tried cooking eggs in the slow cooker before, so I'm going to try it and see what happens, and I'll let you guys know if it's a good idea or a bad idea. But what I'm going to do is put them in this bowl. I have 4 eggs, and I'm going to just kind of beat them up like scrambled eggs, and then I'm going to dump them in there. It'll be interesting to see how this works. I was thinking scrambling them up like this might be the best way. Also going to add just a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper to them. It's been 3 hours, so let's take a look here. I guess I'll just pour the eggs over the top, kind of spread them all around like this. We'll see what happens. I'll just get the lid back on there until they're cooked. It's been about 20 minutes, so let's see what this looks like. Well, I don't know, let's see. The egg looks pretty cooked right there. Yeah, I think it's cooked. Interesting. Hopefully I didn't ruin it. Anyway, let me grab a plate and we'll try some out. This looks pretty good to me, but let's try a bite and see how these eggs turned out. That came out really good. You can make some great breakfast burritos with that, or even if you threw some cheese on that, that'd be good too. But the eggs turned out good that way. And you should like this. Want a potato, Annie? There you go. Okay, just like, where's the meat? There's the meat. There's some sausage. You could do that with or without the eggs, and you could substitute a different type of sausage if you'd rather. Anyway, I write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.